The inspections that you use in your shop have made a big difference in how you communicate with your customers, and they've given your customers the ability to make informed decisions. But you know, there's one other thing that Bolt-On Technology offers your shop that nobody else does. Giving your customers the ability with just a few taps of their finger to zoom into your shop, into a laptop, or even a tablet where you can have a live one-on-one conversation with a customer. Take a look at this short clip here and see one of the basic uses that it would be good for. So the customer's looking at the inspection that you sent to them, and that inspection is complete in every aspect. You have pictures, you have descriptions, you even have video. But the customer's a little bit concerned because there's a noise that they want you to look at, and they're not seeing it on the inspection. Right from the actual inspection, your customer can start a Zoom session and you can pinpoint that sound. After a simple installation process, on the bottom of the inspections the customer gets, they can tap on the video button and they can zoom your shop, having a real-time conversation with you using video, and that will lead to further customer satisfaction. Zooming is a great tool, and it's another tool that Bolt-On Technology gives your shop. So explore it. It's an easy setup, and get it up and running just in case some customer wants to reach out in real time and see video and talk to you about it.